PM-3133-100-MTCP is a 3-phase smart power meter communicable over Modbus TCP for power monitoring. With its high accuracy, the PM-3133 series products can be applied both on low voltage primary side and or medium high voltage secondary side, and enables the users to obtain in real time the reliable and accurate energy consumption readings from the monitored equipment. These compact size and cost-effective power meters are equipped with wired clip-on CT and standard Modbus TCP communication protocol for easy integration. It works with input voltages ranging from 10 to 500 volts, supporting a wide range of applications. Features include true RMS energy and power parameters measurement, energy analysis, current measurements and voltage measurements, clip-on CT for easy installation, supports Ethernet interface, supports Modbus TCP protocol, and supports 2 power relay output in Form A. To learn more about the PM-3133-100-MTCP, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP-DAS USA team.